Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. So today I'll be taking you guys along while I pick a cooker. So I love this design, the wooden design. It's very beautiful, and it comes in this, it has oven and the 5 cooker gas cooker. Then this, I'm trying to choose, make a choice. So this is the silver one. It's same thing with that wooden one, just that this is more durable and stronger, but the wooden one is my picked. I like, I just love the design. This is just plain design. So there is this one, this is just the burner, no cooker, no hot plates. Yeah, so there are some with hot plates. We'll just move to the next section to see what I can get. These are other designs, and I'm still checking around. I spent like 2 hours here trying to make a choice. So guys, let me know in the comment section, which one do you prefer? So this is the hot plate, the one with hot plate. Yeah, this is the silver spawner, the one with hot plate. So I'm trying to decide, should I go for the manual one or the one with hot plates? Then that wooden one, the first one we saw was just no hot plates. This one has 2 hot plates and 4 gas burner. And these are other designs, so many designs. I don't even know the one to go for. Hey guys, so this is the one I finally went for. So it's more stronger than the wooden one that we saw earlier. This is better, and this is just the manual one, no burner. So I'm going to open it, unbox it now, so you guys can see it very well. This is the one I went for finally. So let's see what we have inside. So this is it. I just saw this defect now. I hope it doesn't affect anything. Wow, what is this? Wow, hey God, oh. I hope this product serves me well. Oh. So I don't know, have you bought this product before? How is it? It's my first time buying this brand. My first time of buying this brand. What's your experience? If you have bought it before, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to know. I've not even started using it. I'm seeing some defects already, some fault, like this thing I'm seeing here. I don't know what this thing is. It's coming out, but this side is still intact. I hope this serves me well. This brand, wow, don't come and form my hand though. So I got the one of the I got the 5 burner one without the hot plates. So this is it. I love the fact that it has one big space in case I need to cook something large. And we have, let's see what we have in the in the oven. Okay, it comes with there is this for grill, and there is a tray. This is the, I think you fix this in the for the stand. So I think these are the accessories. And this is the stove cover. It has this recipe here, this recipe, and the manual. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I would like to know if you've bought this brand before in anything. Let me know, how is this brand? Is the product, is it durable? I hope it serves me well. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.